So I'm just about to get ready to go to my New York trip, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Let's go.
Here we go!
You know what's crazy? Solo traveling. I never imagined myself solo traveling in years, and the fact that I gathered this much courage to finally just get up and get the hell out of here, it was amazing. I chose the Color Factory as my first option only because it was in the area of where I wanted to explore first. Ah, Soho. When I let my mind just slip away and focus on the present moment, that's when I really get to appreciate my surroundings. Oddly enough, this Color Factory put me outside of my comfort zone and giving me the first smells of New York City all in one area. I was able to let go of all my worries, of negative thoughts about what ifs or this and that. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Oh. I was forced to meet a stranger and lowering my guard into meeting new people. Without sharing too much here at the Color Factory, I wanted to let you guys see my journey here and that solo traveling isn't so bad. There is nothing to be afraid of. I stopped waiting for people to travel with, and instead I made the decision to just book my next available time out. I was nervous at first and excited at the same time, but I am so happy that I made the decision to just listen to myself. Take the leap of faith, do what feels right, and stop caring about what other people say. This is your life, and your life shouldn't be waiting on others to tell you when or what you should do. Do what makes you happy and live in that moment. Get lost, because getting lost doesn't always end up so bad. And when you're out of your comfort zone is when you are able to grow. And I hope that someday my courage will also be your courage. And that to me is enough to have inspired someone else to go live their best life. I'm ready to start my journey, my new adventures. Not everything is going to be perfect, and I'm here for it. Some of my best memories is just being able to wander with no set of agenda. So I hope you guys will stick around and get lost with me. Alright, so that was pretty much fun. I'm on the journey to go find some film for my film camera, and I was told that I could buy it at the Color House. It's right here. Let's go see if I can find it.
I haven't gotten into develop since January, so.
Alright, so I end up finding some of my film. I got the Portra 400, and now I can start shooting with my film camera. And New York has so many nice shots that I wanted to take, So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so just landing in line, going to the Museum of the Ice Cream.
Hello, guys.
Scoop ice cream. Cheers. Cheers. No, let her go through. Go through.
I see you looking at me. So one of them says take a peek, and one needs her dancing and they can see it. So, where's he go right there?
Expensive to buy Metro card.
Transfer here to impact your parachute. Stand clear of the closing doors.
God. More. way more.
Yeah, you were like having your cash out. I was like, this
Like,
boy
this boy
having his
like-
cash out like this in the street, like.
Oh my. So close.